It was a quiet evening, the kind where the moon hangs like a silver coin in a velvet sky. An astrophysicist named Dr. Eris Thorne was in his observatory, his eyes glued to a screen displaying a distant star, Gliese 710. The star was hurtling towards our solar system, but it was still light years away. The real story, he knew, wasn't about the star itself, but about the slow-motion cosmic wave it was already creating. He leaned back, a cup of lukewarm coffee in hand, and began to narrate to his young assistant, Ilara. Imagine our solar system as a tranquil pond. He started, his voice a soft rumble. And all the comets and asteroids, way out in the Oort Cloud, are like dust motes on the surface. Gliese 710, a star much bigger than our sun, is approaching. It won't hit us, not even close. But its gravitational pull is so immense, it's like a single, massive pebble being dropped into that pond. Its gravity will act like a shockwave, a cosmic tsunami. Dr. Thorne explained, his voice taking on a tone of quiet awe. It's going to stir up the Oort Cloud, sending millions of icy bodies, a hail of frozen giants, careening inwards. It's an inevitable cosmic bombardment, not aimed at us, but at our defenses. Many of these comets will be deflected, but some are bound to find their way towards the inner solar system. It's a slow-motion catastrophe that will play out over thousands of years. He gestured to the screen. Gliese 710 is that pebble. And in a little over 1 million years, the cosmic fireworks will begin. We can't see it with our eyes, but the ripples are already spreading. He paused, letting the silence hang in the air. It's a story of deep time and slow-motion destruction, an event so grand it's almost impossible to grasp. But it's happening right now. And it makes you wonder, what will our distant descendants look up and see in the night sky?